some of the most recent legal changes that can impact the ability of these practices to offer GLP-1s?
Yeah, so previously there was the ability to compound generic versions of brand name medications in the GLP-1 space. So before, as long as medications like Ozempic and Mounjaro were on the shortage list, people were able to compound those to be able to essentially offer copies of them that are generic. And that was able to be done by compounding pharmacies. Well, as of last week, the FDA has removed the brand name drugs from the shortage list. And so what that means is when a drug is removed, you can no longer compound it. And these compounding pharmacies have a deadline to comply. So depending on what type of compounding pharmacy you are getting your medications from, they have a different deadline. One deadline is April 22nd, 2025, and one is May 22nd, 2025. But both are, coming up, right, in a matter of months. And after those deadlines, the compounding pharmacies are not supposed to make copies of these drugs anymore. So they can still make drugs that are similar but not copies. So for example, by adding other ingredients to the compounds, by doing different strengths of the compounds that are not offered in the brand name form. However, that may not fly with the big manufacturers. So even if a compounding pharmacy offers you these drugs after the deadline, that doesn't mean that that practice is going to be compliant or that they'll protect you if you get a cease and desist from